Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello everybody, I am back for an unboxing video. This time I am unboxing from a company called Beebeecrafts. I have had products from this company before. What I loved about Beebeecrafts last time is that they actually supply lots of other brands that I already use, one of them being Crafspire. So when they asked if I wanted to receive some more products to have a play around with, then of course I got very excited and went shopping. So these are all the different bits that I have received. So it always comes really well packaged. You get a list of all the things that you order. Let's get these bits out of the bag first. Now normally I instantly go for dies, but I was trying to do something a little bit different this time and not go for dies. But I have got one thing, this thing, which is for my die cutting machine. Because of how it's packaged, I'm just going to have to grab my scissors to cut it open. I'm sorry if it's suddenly gone very dark. It's really got very gloomy and we've actually got a little bit of snow falling outside at the moment, so... Right, so okay, so these, it's a pack of 2. I've obviously only taken 1 out, but they are magnetic mats, and they're supposed to be used for die cutting machines. So the idea is that your die then sticks to that. And I believe it's double-sided. It is. Excellent. So double-sided, so once one side perhaps has been cut into too many times, then obviously you can then use the other side, which is really good. And a pack of 2, so you kind of get four uses out of it really, don't you, which is really, really good. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I wanted this for a long time because obviously it's really good when I am die cutting because it holds the die still. So rather than me using some tape, this feels like it's quite a strong magnet as well, which is really good. I'd actually be interested to see how this differs from this one. I bought this one from LDA, which is their magic mat. This does look a bit thicker than this one, but this one was for the same thing, so it's supposed to go through your die cutting machine, but as you can see, well, you might not be able to see very well on the camera, but it's already started to bow. So I mean, the magnet on this is really strong. It doesn't feel as strong on here. It is obviously holding it, but I do already have a bow in the middle where I have done some die cutting, so I'd be interested to see how much this one actually lasts in my die cut machine. So I will be playing around with that, and perhaps in a future video I'll let you know how I'm getting on with these after it's been used sort of a few times. But like I said, I'd be interested in the difference. This one is only magnetic on one side, it's not on the other. But yeah, like I said, I've only used this one a couple of times and it has already bowed. You can kind of see that it rocks where it's bowing. So yeah, very excited to test these out then. Right, so let's have a look at the other products then. So as I said, I tried to stay away from dies this time. And I ordered, as you can see, Crafspire. You know I love Crafspire. This was a wax seal stamp. And this one says thanks. And I really liked this. I thought this would be great for packaging and things. So as and when I sell things in my Etsy shop, obviously the physical items, when they get posted off, I can use this wax seal. So I was very excited for that one. I also ordered, it was a pack of 2, but a new pokey tool. Obviously for journal making they come in handy, but I thought these were quite nice, and I love the finish on these as well. That's very, very nice. I love the wooden handle, and it's a good size, and it is very, very sharp. So I'm just going to pop that back into its bubble wrap very carefully. Okay, and as I said, that's a pack of 2, so I've actually got 2 of those, so that's really good. And then the last 2 bits, so this one is a pack of the corner protectors. So I'm just going to try and open these so we can take a look at them. Okay, so I love that it comes in its own little box. That's really nice, easy for storage. But they are all different as well. So that's another thing that I quite liked about this set, is there is a variety. So as you can see, there are different sizes. Some of them are plain, some of them have patterns. The patterns are different. Yeah, I really, really like those. And I like that some of them have a kind of rounded corner, whereas this one's quite a sort of pointed corner, a proper right angle. So yeah, I really, really like those. Happy with them, and they seem to be, again, a really good quality. I think they're going to look really good on journals. Okay, and the last one, this was an interesting one, but I do have a couple of ideas of how I want to use these, so I'm just going to open them up so I can show you properly. Okay, so again, I love that it comes in its own box. It's easy for me to pack away. And what I ordered was some wings. And they're just very, very delicate. They are, I would say, like an organza material, like it's a very thin material, but you've got that lovely sort of pattern on there. And I thought they would be great for journals. They might be great for jewellery making. So yeah, and I've got a whole bag of them. So these are going to be fun. Like I said, I've got a few ideas of what I want to do with these. So I am excited to give them a try. But yeah, a whole bag of them, as you can see. Well, I am super happy with all of these products, and I cannot wait to start using them in projects, which you'll see in some future videos. I'm very excited, especially for these wings and using those. Like I said, I've got a few ideas that I'm excited to try and excited to share with you all. Well, that is it from me today. It is a short one. I just wanted to sort of show off these products. Just to remind you, all links will be down below. There's also a discount code, so make sure that if you are shopping at Beebeecraft, you are using that discount code. It's always lovely to have a little bit off your order. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. I'll see you later now. Bye bye.